Hello guys and welcome to another CQE video. Today we're up at the old St. Lawrence Meatworks. In this video all footage is done by our little drone. So here we go, a little bit of information about this meatworks. The St. Lawrence Meatworks is a heritage listed abattoir. It was originally built between 1870 and 1890. Went under a few names in its time, from Broadsound Meat Company and even Newport Meatworks. Now, the former meatworks was established around 1860 as the Boiling Down Works. By 1893, the meatworks had been established and remained in operation until 1911. The meatworks was one of the largest projects undertaken in the history of St. Lawrence. The principal products line of the meatworks was tinned meats and extracts. The meatworks had some of the most modern equipment available in its time, from canned tongues to corned meat were loaded onto ships at the wharf. Now, the former meatworks site is located on several properties off Settlement Road. Now, the main site includes 3 boilers, 2 of which are located to the west of the property, and the third boiler, which is approximately 10 metres to the east of the first 2 boilers. Around this site you'll see brickwork, brick rubble and some concrete slabs. If you walk around you'll see other brick, metal and timber remains scattered throughout. It is also likely that further evidence of the meatworks exists underground. So much amazing history in this little meatworks. It is awesome to see all this work still there. On the other side of the land, to the northeast of the main site, is the remains of the donkey boiler and also a mine shaft. Now, during this time of the meatworks, there was a tram that ran from one side across to the main meatworks site. There is a built-up area indicating the position of the line. Here you'll see the donkey boiler, which fed water from one of the dams a few kilometres away. Isn't it great to see that these relics are still there? This day I didn't get to explore where the former wharf site was, but apparently it incorporates timber posts and much of the tramway, which used to join the meatworks along the Tidal Flats area, which forms part of the Newport Conservation Park. Other remains include further evidence of the tram line, such as timber sleepers and metal remains. The former meatworks and wharf site is a well-known tourist site and continues to attract public interest. The surviving donkey boiler is one of the few of its type known to survive in Queensland. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little drone tour of this meatworks, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you later.